Good evening, everyone. My name is Shivani Sukla. The topic is uniform is compulsory. Uniform is mandatory in school and colleges. In my opinion, we have a different culture. So uniform are the best way to create a feeling that we are all one. It creates symbol of being student.
Forcing children to wear uniform can ignore their religious and cultural need. For example, Sikh boys and Islamic girls all express their religious beliefs through the way they dressed, and uniform stops them to doing this. Some girls don't like to wear skirts or can't wear skirts, especially Islamic girls. There are also many problems.
Sorry to cut you short, ma'am, but compulsory dress code will not create a feeling of equality, but students focus on their study rather than on their clothes.
No, it is not suitable for everyone in a fashion related point of view.
Fashion day. But ma'am, people in uniform stand out when in a crowd. They show the identity that which college and school they belong, and their uniform as identity of being a student. And school is not a fashion show.
There should not be a dress code for colleges because, according to me, our only purpose that we go to an institution is to learn. So, the only focus should be gain knowledge and not clothes. The clothes we wear are immaterial, and for the point of discipline, one can be disciplined in the casual clothes too.
Right, very good.
But if we are talking about clothes, so boy and girl study at a university, spend about 15 and 20 minutes to get ready in the morning. And most of the time it's spent selecting an outfit, especially for girls because they always try look different and take more time to get ready. And if they are in uniform, they don't spend time for selection.
Sorry to cut you, ma'am.
Cut you, ma'am.
Sorry. It totally depends on the upbringing of a person to be disciplined or not. It has nothing to do with dress code. We are mature enough to learn about what to wear at which occasions. One can also look decent without a uniform also.
But if we are talking about poor student and it student have doesn't more money to buy more clothes, they prefer uniform because it reduce financial burden of their parents.
No, ma'am. It not reduce the financial burden because many schools allow to their students 2 or 3 dresses in a week, and it is so costly.
Amit sir, are you ready?
Shall I start?
हाँ.
Yes, yes, sir, yes, sir. Okay, good evening to one and all. This is Sumit Parayar, and here I want to do debate with Spencer. And the topic is uniform is mandatory in school or colleges or not. And I am with this favor of this topic that yes, uniform is necessary in school and colleges. Here I want to tell that why uniform should be necessary in school and colleges, because when the uniform is there, then the student look smartly with their dress, and it's give the feeling to remove from the distraction, and it's make the environment. See, for getting anything, we should make the environment. For learning English, we should make the environment. So it makes the environment, and it's improve the it improve the quality of the study. By that means with the help of uniform, we can improve the quality. Means what the quality we can normally get. No, we can improve with the help of. And
Okay,
we know that
okay, so in my
jobs,
Hello.
there are many type of jobs. In that also uniform is there. Why their uniform is there? Because they have their different fields. So because of distributing their
Sena, sorry to
there
cut
should
you.
sorry to cut you, Sumit sir. In my opinion, uniform in school and college should not be mandatory for these reasons. So my first reason is uniform can be expensive for parents. Okay, because in uniform includes so many things such as dress, shoes, tie, blazer, such etc. So it might be unaffordable for some parents.
now for Spencer here. I
Can
would
be
tell
for those
something.
parents who can't afford extra their child. So
Here I want to tell something. As you told that uniform is more expensive. Now here I want to tell something. See, if the student is there, then he will buy 2 or 3 jeans, 2 or 3 t-shirts, and he will buy means socks also. He will buy shoes also. So according to me, see, if you will buy, if you will get to know the prices of uniform, no, so it is less expensive than the normal uniform, means the normal dress. Because if you will go in market, and if you will, I also have purchased, so I know that in 2 or 3 hundred that that jeans is coming, and that shirt is coming of 2 or 300, and just tie of 50 rupees.
Okay, but there are so many reasons because uniform can be uncomfortable because every student has different body types, and according to their body type, I don't think so uniform suit every student. Some student looks
Now,
good, and
okay, here also I want to tell
some
something.
student student might be bad in uniform, so they should be free what they want to wear. So I think uniform should not be mandatory in
If
school
you
and
will
colleges.
purchase uniform, if you will purchase uniform, then you will purchase according to your size only. It means shopkeeper is not forcing you to purchase this uniform. You will purchase according to your size,
No, but
size of,
no, but
according to your comfortable only. So you
Sorry to-
should, so according to me, it is not a reason that uniform is.
Sorry to cut you, but uniform has only one color. Okay, because of school uniform, student lose their self identity when they lose their right to express through fashion. If a student wear uniform, then how will they know what that fashion is also like what is fashion, and fashion is also a career field, I think, because we are.
Now here I will tell that if a student is working, if a student want to do their own, no. So why the rules and regulation is made in school? There should not a rules and regulation for school. Because of that only the uniform is made. Because of that, all the students should look like one only. Because of that only, if they want to do what they want, so why the school and colleges have made this type of
No,
rules and
no.
regulations?
But sorry to cut you, but question is because some students not comfortable in uniform. So what the option for us? So
Okay, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Ratnapriya Tiwari, and today our debate topic is school uniform should be mandatory or not. I completely agree with this. In my opinion, uniform should be mandatory in school and colleges because it forms a bond of it forms a bond. Okay, it forms a bond between students that they are equal and there is no partiality between them. It builds a sense of equality and unity. And in my opinion, in learning phase, a student should always be focused and alert. Uniform gives a message that you be known for your work more than looks and clothes. And other benefit is uniform is not partial between rich and poor, so a kid never feels inferior in front of a rich kid than him. And it is also good for parents because in for small kids they are dependent on their parents, so this it is a headache of their parents to get them ready every day with different clothes and take care of those clothes. So I think uniform is quite well managed, so parents don't have that headache to get their kids ready every day.
Mahima Shukla, speak.
So, in my favor, I would like to say that uniform should not be mandatory because everyone has right to wear whatever they want to wear in school and colleges. Because if we wear whatever we want, so we will be comfortable in that dress also. So, in my opinion, school dress should not be mandatory.
Tiwari ji, cut the point.
Yes, as you said that clothes should be comfortable, then uniform should be also comfortable because so many people wear jeans and different kind of clothes which are really uncomfortable.
But in Tiwari ma'am, but in government school they don't usually have a dress code, and their parents are also not able to afford that much high, expensive cost of their
Then
dresses.
that is also very good because they have only one uniform. Their parents can't afford different dresses for many things and many activities. So they are it is beneficial for them having only one uniform.
But if they have, but if in schools there has dress code, so teachers tell student to be well maintained, and it is not and it is
Ma'am, I can't
not
hear you.
This topic, a school uniform should be allowed in school because there are so many advantages of uniform. First of all, I will have to understand what is the meaning of uniform. Where word uni, it means say unity. That means when any school and college has particular uniform, then there is a uniformity in the classroom. And one more thing, in uniform, not any student looks rich and poor. Everyone, it's same. Everyone is same in the classroom, and it saves money of parents to buy new clothes by pumping. Yes, sir. One of the biggest problem, it especially for girls, they are always in fix every day what to wear and what not to wear. So dress code is very important for every school and college. There is no need to face any problem for dress code.
Good evening, everyone, and respected Samir sir. This is Preetham Sahu, and my topic name is school and college uniform or not mandatory. It is a very important to have uniform in school and college. So it is important to know that it is a student of school or a student of a college. Nowadays the dress code has great importance in today, as dressing sense play a very important role today than in life, because we cannot identify the people of today whether they are officer or student who sober. They are without dress and ID card. Yes, school is not the only meaning. From college we see whatever we go, be it Indian Army, we are policemen, all dress should be compass all in every college, every school, because dressing sense. College students compare their dressing style, which creates a identify complex among students. Compulsory dress code will not only create a feeling of equality, but also make students focus on their studies rather than on their clothes. So the debate is about whether the school should continue with the practice of uniforms or make a transformation and allow students to wear clothes of their choice. The very concept of a school uniform is a natural one. It is based on the model of the equality, smartness, and sense of the belonging. I am sure that students feel proud to wear the uniform of their school. Wearing a uniform is a symbol of dignity, and it creates one unique identity for all the students. Uniforms also prepare students for the time when they will steps into the real world and become a professional, and then they will be required to wear formal clothes. When students wear school's uniform, they appear as one or smaller or similar, as there is no distractions based on clothing. This also help in maintaining the discipline and focus on schoolwork, thus making it easier for students to perform better at school. Just like sports teams wear the
Speak.
Hello. Sir, I also favor school uniform.
Speak.
Respected sir and my dear friends, welcome you all on this platform. Uniform is school and college should be mandatory or not. I am favor of this. I think uniform word listen. After that, thinking about uniform bears all students who feel unity, equality. Uniform show no difference each and others, no status symbols, that is discipline symbols. It is necessary for children to wear school, college uniform. Uniform concern the regularity of the students and professors and to study and spread awareness. IHM students profile demands dress code. So uniform also label the playing field because there is no. It's good, but uniform groom. It's your personality. People from different walks of life, different status, various economic conditions, etc. Aspire to give the children the best of education. A child needs a good school, good college, good atmosphere, cooperative and friendly attitude surrounding for the healthy development. But so I think school or college should punish students for wearing the wrong dress and also teach them to choose the right dress at the right time because dress code brings equality and discipline. But in college, students not wear the uniform, so do not so much problem because students already mature.
In my opinion, uniform is not compulsory in college and schools because we can't learn from uniform in higher education system. The one ideology is that equality. It takes people from different walks of life and turn them into the one single thing. This is the reason why the armies have the uniform, police officers have the uniform, school have a uniform. But do you really think that the uniform brings the equality in our education system? In Indian education system, equality is not matter of concern, or the Indian mind is conditioned to differentiate every human being on the basis of caste, colors, origins. That's it. And the same uniform, the symbols of equality, doesn't help in changing this backward mindset. Now you can say when a poor child enters private college, the same uniform brings equality to him or her. But can the poor child afford the high fee of college? No, poor child not afford the high fee of college because they have no money to buy these things, and government should notice that thing that poor children can't get the high educations by wearing the uniforms. Many of the college education institute represent a factory which manufacture products with the same packaging, where the uniform represents the same packing. And it happened because our education system is still based on the factory system. The student had to go to the work in factory and after there the school education, but always.
Okay, everyone.
As you told that uniform is not necessary. So see, if uniform is not means the student will wear the different type of uniform and there is comparison between the one student and other student. Then see, they will spend time in comparing with others. They will not spend time with their studies, isn't it? And as you told about the yes, poor students, they also have different type of schemes which is given by the government. By that also they can study in the private college.
But they didn't get it. Sumit, sorry to cut you short, but they didn't get this schemes of the government.
If you have good knowledge about the engineering college, if you have good knowledge about engineering college, management college, then there's a lot of schemes. And in my colleges also there's a many poor students. They not have bike, even they not have house. Then also they are studying, and yes, they are studying because of the government schemes which is given by the government because of their percentage, isn't it? So you can't.
Sumesh, sorry to cut you. I'm include my point. Actually, the point is there are so many families in our country. They have like in a one family there are 4 and 5 children in a one family. Okay, so if uniform should mandatory, so they cannot able to exchange their formal dress. So it should be a
Sir,
it should be a burden for. So
Anubhav,
it is necessary to.
sir, as you are telling that there's one or
Speak.
as you are telling that there are 3 or 4. Okay, I am. See, if you have the good knowledge about the engineering college of government colleges, then government is giving the dress, government is giving the kits of the instrument of pen, pencils, and they are
But
giving
government
out of-
choice